Hi, Hari, Kaushik. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Today you are all very happy that you got a chance to. So did you finish the homework? You were there in the class. Let's see. What time can you switch on your videos? I want to see what I can. Kaushik,
Yes, sir.
do you switch on your video? Can you switch on your videos?
Yeah, 2 minutes, sir.
Yeah. What about others? They are just login for Hari. Rohit. You are not responding. I'm just taking absent for today. So Rohit is not there. Hari is not there. Princy,
Yes, sir.
you are there, right?
Yes, sir.
What about Vijay?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, please
Sir,
switch your
2 minutes, sir. I'll keep your video. 2 minutes, sir, on my camera. Sir, 2 minutes, sir. I'll on my camera.
Sorry.
Give me 2 minutes, sir. I'll on the camera.
Okay, okay. You need to keep your cameras on during class. These are the instructions given to you, right? can only see Kaushik. All remaining people are off. Need to keep your videos on. Then only I can start the class. Hi, Preeti. Rohit.
So 1 sec, sir.
Hi, G. Rohit, how are you doing? Is your health good? What's the issue?
Sir, can you repeat?
Now, how is your health? Like you're not attending classes, no, offline? Is your health good?
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, it's better now.
Oh, okay. Can you switch on your video?
Yes, sir, 1 sec, sir. I'm just 1 second, sir.
What about the assignment, Princey?
Sir?
What about the assignment? Have you finished the assignment?
Sir, I can't hear you properly, sir.
Okay. Assignment. I'm asking about assignment. Assignment, I have given some work, right? Some
Yes, sir. Exercise 4.3 only, no, sir.
finished, huh?
Yes, sir.
Vijay?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay. What about Kaushik? Kaushik?
Yes, sir, done, sir. So the first part, the full exercise, right, sir? Full exercise or first and second?
Exercise 4.3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, sir.
Five terms are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Good to see you, Rohit, after a long time.
Yes, sir.
Hari is still finding out his camera. Hi, Hari. So you should keep your videos on during the class. Okay. So are you clear with exercise 4.3 or do you have any doubt in 4.3? Any sum? Rohit, is this chapter clear to you? Because you attended mostly online, no?
It's a bit clear, sir, but still, I'll be with the video, sir. It's not a problem.
Hari?
Yes, sir.
Did you finish the assignment that I had given to you, exercise 4.3? Sorry?
No, sir.
Why?
I thought of doing it, but when they called the online class, I did.
Oh, then you got some relaxation, right?
Uh,
Then tomorrow class you do it and come. Okay.
okay, sir.
So So how to find out the nature of the roots? Princy?
So like minus b plus or minus b minus 4ac by 2a.
I'm not asking about the how to find out the solution. I'm asking about how to find out the nature of the roots.
Minus b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 is equal to the roots are real and
B square minus 4ac equal to 0, then
the roots are real and distinct.
so what are other two conditions?
Sir, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then there are two distinct real roots. When b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, there are two equal real roots. When b square minus 4ac is less than 0, it is not a real root.
Yeah, then the roots are not real, right?
Not
These are the three possible. So yeah, Princy, did you get what Rohit was telling?
Sir, I got disconnected, sir.
Okay, so Rohit, can you repeat one more time?
Sir,
Sorry, Rohit, can you repeat Rohit one more time what Kaushik took?
so he told that b square minus 4ac is if b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0, it's real number, and
Okay, then you didn't listen properly. Hari, can you repeat what Kaushik had told?
I can't.
Sorry.
No, I can't, sir.
Okay, Vijay, can you tell? Can you please?
Sir, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, it is distinct roots, and if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, it has no solution. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0, it has a double root.
The root are real, but root are same and real roots. Okay. So b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. So Princy, are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you repeat?
B square minus 4ac greater than 0, the roots are real and same, and b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Roots are real and distinct, and b square minus 4ac less than 0, the roots are not real.
Roots are not real, yeah?
No solution.
So what is the b square minus 4ac called?
Discriminant.
Discriminant, right?
Discriminant.
So it's not a discrimination, right? Hari, what is b square minus 4ac?
Discriminant.
Discriminant or discrimination?
Discriminant.
Can you keep your video a little bit down so that we can see it? Like we are only seeing your AC and curtain, and your face is like. So b square minus 4ac called discriminants. Okay. So what is the solution of the quadratic equation? Vijay, can you tell what's the solution for the quadratic equation? What's x equal to?
So what?
What is the solution for the quadratic equation? X equal to?
What? X is equal to b plus or minus the root of b square minus 4ac by 2a.
Is this right, Kaushik?
Yes, sir. It's for a quadratic equation. Plus or minus.
Princy, is this right or is there any mistake?
Right only, sir.
She told plus b or minus b. Vijay, did you tell plus b or minus b?
Huh?
It's
Plus or
minus b,
minus?
sir.
No, you don't like b plus or minus. It's a minus b plus or minus.
Minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by
Square root of b square minus 4ac by
2a.
2a. So our minus b plus or minus square root of discriminant by 2a. Right? But b square minus 4a is nothing but discriminant. So minus b plus or minus square root of discriminant by 2a. Okay. So that's why we are finding out discriminant. Based on the discriminant, we are saying what is the nature of the roots. If it is greater than 0, then there are two roots which are real and distinct. If b square minus 4ac discriminant equal to 0, then the roots are real and same. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the roots are not real. Hari, are you clear now? Okay, then you repeat what you clear. Then what you clear, Hari? Rohit, can you repeat now?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, it's the real roots. And if b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, it has distinct, real distinct roots, distinct.
B square
And
minus
if
4a is
b
equal to 0.
equals to 0 is distinct or real.
No. They are equal to 0. Their roots are real and same, not distinct.
Oh yeah, real and same. And if b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0, it has no solution.
Less than 0, then there are no real roots.
No solution.
So then you cannot find out roots.
Yes.
So if b square minus 4a is equal to 0, why the roots are same? Kaushik?
Sir,
If the discriminant is 0, we are saying roots are real and same, right? Why so?
I have no idea, sir.
Vijay?
Can you repeat the question?
No, b square minus 4ac discriminant equal to 0, then we are saying roots are real and same. So why so? What's the why so? What's the reason? The roots are real and same.
Because the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to
Quadratic equation?
ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it,
Can you repeat? Your voice is a bit. Quadratic equation?
ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0.
Hmm.
So that I will come.
Princey, can you say?
Don't know, sir.
No, what's the solution of the equation?
Solution. Minus b plus or minus root
So
b square
solution
minus
is
4ac by
x equal to, you are seeing the screen, right?
yes, sir.
Minus b plus or minus b square minus 2a, right? This is the solution.
So can I say,
Clear?
sir?
Yeah.
Sir, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we can apply this in the minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So
Yeah.
minus b by 2a plus or minus 0, sir. So
Yeah.
the two roots will be minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. So hence, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, it gives two equal roots. Real.
Yeah, very good. B square minus 4ac equal to 0 implies x equal to minus b by 2a. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So if b square minus 4ac equal to greater than 0, x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of some real number, right? Is positive by 2a. So minus b plus, so square root of real number again will be a real number because it's a positive real number. So some real number x by 2a. So one root is minus b, let's take some y. Minus b plus y by 2a. Other root is, what is other root? Kaushik, what is other root?
What is that, sir? X or X or Y, sir?
Y.
What is two? Yes, sir.
Other root is minus b minus y by 2a. Clear?
Okay.
Minus b plus or minus y by 2a, right? One is
Yes,
plus,
yes.
one is minus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what about if it is less than 0? Then square root of less than some number is it's a complex. It's not a real. So there are no real roots. So I'm just reading out exercise 4.3 third sum. Can you, if you had already done it, can you show your on the screen like where you have done it? Just I want to see who have done with it. Can you show on the screen? Show your notebook. Kaushik, third sum, exercise 4.3.
Which sum, sir?
Exercise 4.3 third sum.
First question or second question, sir?
So you just finished the first question.
Yes, sir.
So
Can I just
second,
do the
third,
second
fourth.
question and show it?
So Princey, have you done with the third one?
Sir, Roman number third.
Not a Roman number third. Like there is in the first question, there are 3 problems, right?
Yes, sir.
In the second question, there are 2 problems.
Sir, I only put 2 sums on first one.
You only did a first sum, 2 problems, 1 and 2 you did, yeah.
I did, sir.
Already first sum we have done in the class, no? I guess.
I don't
First sum we have
remember.
already solved in the class. So second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Who did? Can you raise which Vijay? Did you do it? Second, third, fourth. Vijay.
Just a minute.
Sorry.
The 1 minute.
Your voice is not so clear, Vijay. What you're saying?
Sure, sir. Just a minute.
Can someone say what she's telling? Kaushik, did you hear what she's telling?
No, sir.
Okay, can you solve the third problem now? Solve the third problem and show it to me on the screen. Kaushik, can you read out the third problem?
Sir, 2x square minus 6x, that question, sir, or third
No,
Roman?
no. That is the first question, third subpart. So I want you to
Third, okay.
third question.
Is it possible to, that question, sir, to design
Yeah,
a
right.
rectangle?
Can you read it out? Right.
Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth.
So how to go ahead with this sum?
Sir, can you hear me, sir? Sir,
Vijay, can you speak a bit loud because we are not able to listen what you say.
sir, at the third sum, the breadth will be x, sir, and the length will be 2x.
Yeah.
So the rectangular, the area of the rectangular is 800 meters square. So x plus 2x is x plus 2x is equal to 800. So 200 x square is equal to 800. So x is equal to plus or minus 20. As it cannot be negative, it is 20 meter. So the breadth is 20 meter and the length is 40 meter.
Very good. X equal to length is 20, length is 40, breadth is 20.
Yes, sir.
So others got it, what which he was telling.
So I'm gonna finish, sir.
X equal to 40, Y equal to 20.
So the breadth is 20 meters, right?
Yeah, breadth is 20, length
Is 40. 40.
Right. So, I'm just giving a one sum. Can you note it down? So there are two consecutive positive integers. There are two consecutive positive integers such that their multiplication is 1. Do such numbers exist? If so, what are those consecutive numbers?
Can I repeat it, sir?
So there are two consecutive numbers whose product is product is 1. Whose product is 1. So do such numbers exist? If so, what are those numbers?
Sir, can you repeat the last part of the question?
Rinsi, can you say it loud because your voice is not.
Sir, can you repeat the last part of the question?
No, I'm saying there are two consecutive positive numbers whose product is 1.
1.
So do such numbers exist? If so, what are those consecutive numbers? What is x and what is the next consecutive number? How to solve this problem, Kaushik? Can you just say how to proceed with this?
1 second, sir. I'll try one way and just put 2 minutes. Sir.
Actually, I'm not asking for the final solution. I'm asking how to go ahead with this. Vijay, how to go ahead with this?
Sir, just a minute, sir. I'm doing.
Speak it loud.
Sir, just a minute, sir. I'll say, sir. I'm trying to do it, sir.
No, like I'm not asking the final solution, but how to formulate the problem and then how to go ahead with this. What's the equation here?
Sir, that's it,
Sir,
sir.
as 2 consecutive numbers, we can take it as x and x plus 1.
Yeah.
So then, so the question there said that the code, when it's multiplied, its product is 1. So x into x plus 1 is equal to 1.
Yeah.
So 2x plus 1 is equal to 1.
X into x plus 1 equal to 1. Then what's the final equation?
Into x plus 1 is equal to 1. Yeah.
Rinsi?
So this is
What's the quadratic equation here? I think we couldn't hear you anything. Did you say something or just? Okay, Kaushik, what's the quadratic equation that you got?
Sir?
What's the quadratic equation after formulating?
Sir, it's I'm not sure, sir. It's x.
Rohit?
So actually, I'm not sure about it.
I hope Hari will tell. These are very easy to. Hari?
So Could you repeat the question?
Did you understand the question? What's the question?
No, I'm asking, could you repeat the question?
So I'm saying there are two consecutive positive numbers whose product is 2, whose product is 1. Then what are those numbers? Does such numbers exist? If exist, what are those numbers?
Got no idea, sir.
No, it's a very easy na Kaushik. What is the difficulty there? Like let's say if you take a one number is x, other number is x plus 1. Given that x into x plus 1 equal to 1, so equal to x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Then you need to find out b square minus 4ac. Or directly solve b square. What is the b square? What is the final equation here? Quadratic equation x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0.
Sir, x square
Plus x minus 1 equal to 0.
plus x minus 1. Okay.
X into x plus 1 equal to 1, right?
Okay. Yes, yes. Right.
So then its equation is x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Then if you find out b square minus 4ac, it will be positive. So the roots are real and distinct. Now to find out the roots, you need to use that equation minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So then find out and see what are those two consecutive numbers. Check whether they are satisfying the condition or not. That's it. Hari, what did you get this equation? So you should have come to class now today.
Yeah.
Offline.
How?
Generally every day how you are coming, today also you can come like that.
So today was online. How would I come off?
Sir, I found b square minus 4ac, sir.
Okay.
So it is less than 0. It is less than 0, sir.
Oh, is it b square minus 4 is less than 0?
Sir, it's coming minus 3, sir. So it will be
Okay, what's the equation? X square?
x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0.
So what is b there?
B is 1, sir.
What is a and c?
A is 1, C is minus 1.
So then what is the b square minus 4ac?
B square minus 4ac is 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4.
1 plus 4, right? Because already there c is minus, right?
Oh. So it's greater than 0. So now after this, I don't understand. Sir. How do we find the number?
Now you find out the solution, no? X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So one is minus b plus, other is minus b minus. Princey, is it clear to you what I'm saying?
Sir, after finding the roots,
Sorry.
nature, sir, last but now you said, sir.
No, like what is the solution of the roots? So how to find out the roots? X equal to minus b plus or minus?
My b square minus 4ac we should find out, sir, by using the solution. And then we should compare with 0 whether it's greater, lesser, or sir, you are asking nature of roots or roots.
I'm not asking the nature of the roots. I'm asking, yeah, first you need to formulate the quadratic equation, which is x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Then you need to find out what is the nature of the roots. And once you find out it was found that the discriminant is positive, so the roots are real and distinct.
Real and distinct.
So once the roots are real and distinct, you need to find out the roots using that equation. X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Using that equation, you need to find out the roots.
Okay, sir.
One root is minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Other root is minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a.
Okay.
Vijay, did you find out?
Sir, I'm doing it.
So what's the discriminant value, Kaushik?
Sir,
What's the discriminant value?
by substituting in b square minus 4ac, sir.
Yeah, what's the value from that equation?
5, sir.
5, right? So what is the solution
Yes.
now? Minus 1 plus or plus root 5 by 2, that is 1. Other is minus 1 minus root 5 by 2,
Oh.
right?
Okay.
One root is minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Other root is minus 1 minus root 5 by 2.
Minus,
It is
okay.
nothing so difficult to think and do it. Once a discriminant is there, then it's very easy. That's why I told like minus b plus or minus square root of discriminant by 2a. Or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Both are solutions.
Sir, I'll be back in 2 minutes, sir.
Okay. Kaushik, what are the final roots?
I'm confused, sir.
Princy, is it clear to you or are you also confused?
Sir, I'm finding out the roots, sir, but I'm not getting.
Sorry?
I'm finding out the roots, sir, but it's not coming correctly, sir.
Vijay, what about you? Is it clear to you?
It is confusing.
Confusing, huh? Let me do it, okay? So the equation is x into, can someone say the equation x into x plus 1?
Is equal to 1, sir.
So x square
Square
plus x
plus x
minus 1 equal to 0.
0.
So first we need to find out the nature of the roots. So to find out the nature of the roots, it's square b square minus 4ac you need to find out. Which is nothing but b is 1 here, minus 1, 4 into a is 1 here, c is minus 1 here. So 1 plus 4, which is equal to 5. So here discriminant is greater than 0, so the roots are real and distinct. So once the roots are real, then you need to find out what are those roots. To find out those roots, you need to use this equation x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So one root is minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Other root is minus b minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b, already you find out b square minus 4ac, which is 5. So minus b is nothing but b is 1 here, so minus 1. 2, a is 1 again. So one root is minus 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. Other root is minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So to find out the roots, always the solution is the equation that solution is time, which is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. But initially, while finding out the nature of the roots is whether it is a solution or not. That's why we are finding out the discriminant value. Once the discriminant value is known, the solution is very simple, which is nothing but minus b plus or minus square root of discriminant by 2a. Okay, Kaushik. Now, what are the two roots? Can you repeat, Kaushik?
Sir, it's minus 1 plus root 5 by 2 and minus 1 minus root 5 by 2.
So, what is the question does do these roots satisfy the what's the question?
Do such number exist? If so, what are those numbers?
So they are asking for the positive real roots, right? So is it both are positive?
No, sir. One is negative, one is positive.
One is negative, one is positive, right?
Yes, sir.
So those are not the no such roots exist because they are looking for positive and real
Positive.
roots.
Real.
Here one is positive, one is negative, so such roots doesn't exist.
Not exist.
Rinzi, is it clear to you now? Rinzi,
Yes, sir.
Rohit, Vijay, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir, it is clear, sir.
Rohit,
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
so now again consider two consecutive numbers whose product is 20. There are two consecutive numbers whose product is 20. Now find out do such numbers exist? Two consecutive positive numbers, not a consecutive numbers, two consecutive positive numbers. Do such numbers exist? If so, what are those numbers?
So can you repeat the question?
So again, there are two consecutive positive numbers whose product is 20. So previously the product is 1, right? Now the product is 20. The same question only, but the product is 20.
Okay, sir.
Even without solving also, you can just say it. What are the numbers whose product is 20? Consecutive numbers. Or you can solve it also.
Sir, such numbers does not exist, sir.
Such numbers.
Does not exist, sir. One is negative, one is positive.
What are those numbers you got?
Sir, for b square minus 4ac, I got it 81.
Okay.
81. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So they're greater than 0, then the real root and two distinct real roots.
Okay.
So, so it's minus 1 plus root of 81 by 2 and minus 1 minus root of 81 by 2. So here one is positive and one is negative, sir.
Okay. plus or minus b square minus 4. Now here, sorry, in the sense like you need to look for, they are not the, that is the x, right? Not the x comma x plus 1. Okay, one thing, Kaushik, in the previous problem also what you need to see is I think I did a, I think I made you to do this mistake. So there are two solutions, right? So we need to choose a solution which is positive. Okay, we need to choose a solution which is positive, and x plus 1 will be the positive plus 1.
Okay.
Because they are the two solutions, so we need to take the solution which is feasible, and that is a x value. So what is the consecutive number? X plus 1. So let's say in the previous solution it's a minus 1 plus root 5 by 2, right?
Minus 1. Yes, sir.
And the other one is minus 5 minus 1 minus root 5 by 2.
Yes, sir.
One is positive, one is negative.
Yes, sir.
So you should consider the one which is positive, which is nothing but minus 1 plus root 5 by 2.
Yes, sir.
So on the x plus 1 will be minus 1 plus root 5 by 2 plus 1.
Plus 1.
Which is nothing but root 5 plus 1 by 2.
Plus 1.
Is that right?
Plus 1, no. 1 second.
One
Yes,
is
sir.
root 5 minus
Yes,
1
sir,
by 2,
sir.
other is root 5 plus 1 by 2.
Plus root 5 plus 1 by 2, sir.
One is root 5 plus 1 by 2, other is root 5 minus 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
So can you multiply both of them and see is it coming as 1 or not?
So it's root 5 plus 1 by 2 and minus root 5 plus 1 by 2, right?
So yeah, minus 1 plus root 5 by 2, right?
Plus, yes, sir.
Which is same as root 5 minus 1 by 2. Both are same only.
Okay.
Minus 1 plus root 5 equal to root 5 minus 1. A plus A minus 1 minus A plus B equal to B minus C. Can you multiply both of them and see?
Okay.
What is the A minus B to A plus B?
A minus B. What's
A
up?
minus B to A plus B.
1 second, sir.
A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square.
Yes, sir. It's root 5 minus.
That is root 5 whole square minus 1 square.
3 root square. So 5 minus 1. So 4, sir.
4 by 4, right?
Yes, sir. 4 by 4
4 by
means
4
1.
will be 1.
1.
Now you got it, right?
Yes, sir.
So now for this question also there are two solutions. One is
Minus 1 plus root 81 by 2. And
root 81 is how much? Hari will tell. How much is root 81, Hari? Hari, you need it till 15 square, no? What is the 9 square?
One minute, sir. I forgot it.
9 square is 81.
Yeah.
So square root of square root of 81 will be
9.
9, right?
Yes, sir.
So one is minus 1 plus 9 by 2, other is minus 1 minus 9 by 2.
Minus 1.
So
Yes,
you
sir.
should discard other root, which is negative root, you should discard, and the positive root you need to consider. Positive root is minus 1 plus 9 by 2, which is 8 by
Yes,
2,
sir.
which is 4. So next
Yes,
consecutive number is 5. So 4 into 5 will be 20.
Yes, sir. That is the.
Princey, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Your voice is not at all audible, and I think sometimes you're not able to listen me also. What about Rohit? Is it clear to you?
So clear, sir.
Vijay, what about to you?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Your video is off. So if the same question, but multiplication is 42, what are those roots? 42. Now Rohit, please tell what are the solution? What is the solution? Okay. If the multiplication is 42, then what is x? What is x plus 1? So first of all, what is the equation, Rohit? Quadratic equation.
Sir, finish, sir.
So what is the equation, Kaushik? Quadratic equation.
Sir, x into x plus 1 is equal to 42. So it's x square plus x minus 42 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 42. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 1 plus 168. So it's equal to 169. So in minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a minus 1 plus root of 169 by 2 and other root is minus 1 minus root of 169 by 2. So we can take the positive root as minus 1 plus 13 by 2. This 12 by 2 is equal to 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So 6 into 7 is 42. So two numbers.
Very good. So is this clear to all of you? Hari is simply watching the paper. Hari?
Yes, sir.
So, is it clear to you or it's
No, it's not clear. I mean, like, not so clear.
not so clear, right? Anyway, tomorrow class will be there. Na, that will be online is difficult.
Yes, sir.
Kaushik, now the things are clear, right? How to formulate a.
Yes, sir.
So, like, can you say the fourth one, exercise 4.3, fourth formulation?
Fourth.
What is the quadratic equation?
1 second.
Can you
sir.
read the problem first? Can you read out the
Question,
problem
sir.
first?
Is the following situation that question, sir?
Right.
The following situation possible, if so determine the percent ages. The sum
Okay.
of ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their age in years was 48.
48. So what is the quadratic equation?
1 second, sir.
First, formulate the equation for the first one. What is the, let's say if the sum of the ages of two friends is 20, what is the equation for that?
So we can take one friend as x and other as a y. Y or x. Y. So,
So x plus y equal to 20.
20. So 4 years ago, the product of the product.
So let's say if you take a one person age is x, other person age will be 20 minus x, right?
1.6. Okay, sir.
Is that right? One is x, other is 20
Yes,
minus
sir.
x. So for 4
Yes,
years
sir.
before, the person's age will be x minus 4, other person will be 20 minus x minus 4.
Okay.
Right?
No, sir, I
4
understand.
years. Then you need to 4 years before the first person's age will be x minus 4. If it is x now, 4 years before it will be x minus 4. No.
Yes, sir.
So if other person's age is now is 20 minus x, 4 years before it is 20 minus x minus 4,
Okay.
which is 16 minus x.
Okay, sir.
So x minus 4 into 16 minus x equal to 48.
Mhm.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now can you find out the solution?
Ah, fine, sir.
Princey, did you understand what's the equation?
Sir?
Did you understand the formulation of the equation?
I can't hear you, sir.
Did you understand the formulation of the equation?
Yes, sir.
What is the equation?
For which one you're asking, sir?
Which one you understood?
Sir, that still 42 that where you said that we called it. Six plus 6 where the 7 is negative and 7 became positive. And then I know, sir. After that, you said
Your voice is cutting, Princey. Is internet connection is good or is a problem with your device?
I think so, sir.
I just explained that exercise 4.3 problem 4. Your voice we cannot hear.
Sir,
Yeah. I explained that exercise 4.3 problem 4.
sir, I can't hear you, sir. Let me disconnect and connect
Okay,
again.
okay. Go on.
So,
Yeah.
so actually, I can't understand. After the 4 years ago, the product of ages is 48.
No, if my age is x now, what is 4 years before?
X minus 4.
So if my age is presently 20 minus x, then what is 4 years before?
20 minus x minus 4.
So what is that value?
20 minus x minus. So 60 minus x.
So what is the product of those two ages?
48, sir. So 20. So 16 minus x equals to 48.
X minus 4 into 60 minus x equal to 48.
48. Yes.
Now you need to find out x.
Yes, sir.
Kaushik, did you find out x value?
Yes, sir. I finished. Sir, I took it. I first did it as x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. So 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equal to 48. So x square plus 20x minus 112 is equal to 0. So x square, we can x square minus 20x plus 1 I change the sign, sir. Is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20, and c is equal to 112. So by the discriminate formula, we can say that 400 minus 448 is equal to minus 48, which is less than 0. So this condition does not exist as there is no real roots. They have asked that is this situation possible, sir? So this is not possible.
Right. So if it is the discriminant is less than 0, then it's not possible, right?
Sir.
X minus 4 into 20 minus x equal to 48. X minus 4 into x minus 16 equal to minus 48. X minus 4 into 16 minus x equal to 48.
48.
X minus 4 into 16 x minus 16 equal to minus 48. Right? Is that right?
Yes, sir.
X minus
Which
4 into x minus 16 minus 48, right?
Yes, sir.
We can write 16 minus x as minus of x minus 16.
Yes, of x minus 16. Yes, sir.
Then minus, it will be minus, right? So minus of.
Minus
if you take this
of,
minus, it will be minus this side.
okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
X squared minus this is 20x plus 4 into 16 is
4 into 16.
64
64.
plus 48 equal to 0. X squared minus 20x 64 plus 48 will be
112, sir.
so b square minus 4ac will be
minus 20 square minus 4 into 112.
minus 20 square minus 4 into 112.
112. So 400 minus
400.
400 minus 448.
448, which is less than 0, so no such roots exist, right? This condition is not possible. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. So now, Kaushik, can you formulate the equation for 4.3? 4.3 problem 5. Can you read out the problem? Unmute and read out.
Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. Okay.
How to formulate the equation?
Sir, so
what is the formula for the perimeter?
Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. So let L length be L and breadth be B, sir. So 2 into L plus B is equal to 80. So L plus B is equal to 40, sir.
Right.
L plus B is equal to 40. So B is equal to 40 minus L.
Very good. Then what's the area?
Area is length into breadth, sir.
L into B equal to 400.
L into B is equal to 400. Equation is 40 L minus B is equal to 400.
40 L minus B. No. 40 minus B into B. Or L minus 40 minus L.
No, sir. I don't understand. Area of Sir, so area is equal to L into B, sir. So as B is equal to 40 minus L, L into 40 minus L, which is equal to 40L minus L square, which is equal to 400.
So what is the L value finally you're
Here,
getting?
final L value. So I'll just do that, sir.
Sir, L is equal to 20.
L equal to 20.
Sir, 20 meters. Sir.
L equal to 20, B equal to 20, right?
Yes, sir.
Lindsay, is it clear to you now? Are you able to hear what I'm saying? Now is it connection is better?
Yes, sir. I also got the same, sir. Now only I finished.
So now I covered exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3 got over. So it's this chapter got over today, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow in the class, if you have any doubts in the chapter, in this chapter, first half an hour I'll clarify. After the first half an hour, I'll start the new chapter.
Okay, sir.
Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So what you need to do? You need to go through all the chapter and see if any concepts are not clear to you, or if any problems are not clear to you. You should come tomorrow and ask me if something is not clear to you. If everything is clear to you, I will ask you some questions. If someone says that, sir, all things are clear, then I will ask you some questions. Then in the first half an hour, I will clarify your doubts. Then next half an hour, I will start the new chapter. What is the next chapter, Kaushik?
Arithmetic progress.
Progressions, right?
Arithmetic progress.
Arithmetic progressions. So for today, we can close. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then see you all tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.